Well, that seems like an interesting project. To the lab. Enhance lower right. As you can see, both axes of the spit are in line. Okay, back. Enhance upper right. However, here you can see that the front and rear axes do not meet on the same plane. Back. Left side only. This info is not enough. We need a fixed datum. So let's introduce the floor into the equation. At the moment, the shell is parallel to the floor. If Matt builds the stands in situ, the stands will be different heights. However, the tilt will be quite severe when inverted. The other option is to use equal length stands. This will result in the shell being on a tilt in relation to the floor. We also need to look at the design of Matt's stand. Traditionally, people have used a scaffold pole that runs through a tube. However, Matt's gone for a Y piece. This gives him the advantage that the scaffold pole doesn't actually have to run at right angles to it. You can run at any type of pitch and it will still work. Okay, theory is one thing, but I'd like to try a small experiment. Please excuse the crudity of my model here. It's not to scale, I'm afraid. So, as you can see, I've put the axes at extreme ends, one high, one low, and it pivots, pointing downwards, let's say. If I let it go, it wants to go upside down. That's not the end of the world, because Matt's Mini is a pickup and not a saloon like this one, and the points are not so extreme. But I'd like you to concentrate on these axes here on the stands. So as it rotates, look how they wobble within the frame. Well, science and experiments are one thing, but there's no substitute for actually doing the job. So Matt, let's spin that Mini.